Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable building an elevator pitch infographic in Canva. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Canva website. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once you're on the Canva dashboard, click on the Create a Design button in the upper right corner. In the search bar, type infographic and select the infographic option that appears. You'll see a variety of templates on the left side of the screen. Scroll through the templates and choose one that fits your style and message. Click on the template to open it in the design editor. Next, customize the title section with a catchy heading for your elevator pitch. Replace the placeholder text with your key points about your idea or business. Use short, concise phrases to effectively communicate your message. Add icons or images from the Canva library that enhance your points. To do this, click on the Elements tab and search for relevant graphics. Drag and drop the images or icons into your design. Make sure to maintain a balance between text and visuals for clarity. Adjust the colors and fonts to match your branding or personal preference. You can click on any text box to change the font style, size, or color. Once you're satisfied with the layout, review your design for any adjustments. To finalize your infographic, click the Download button in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or PDF. Finally, click the Download button again to save your infographic. Now you have a polished elevator pitch infographic ready to share. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.